Hey, this is Ricardo with Culture, and this is your Art House construction update. Lots of things happening right now, but one of the most important is we've eclipsed our 50% completion of structure. That's right, we're on level 23, onboarding more and more trades every day, multiple deliveries all day long. Let's go take a peek at some more progress. Here we are, level 9, Cloud 9, an entire floor dedicated to luxury amenities. I'm actually standing inside of your fitness center where you can take a yoga class, do some strength training, do some fitness cardio. Let's go take a look at the pool deck. Here we are in your pool deck, the center of outdoor relaxation. Fire pits, cabanas, spa, outdoor kitchen, outdoor bar. Beautiful areas to relax. Level 10, framing on all residences is complete. A little mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. A little more QC, and we're ready for drywall. Let's go upstairs and see some more. Here we are, level 15. Masonry is complete. Plumbing and mechanical infrastructure are complete. We're gonna apply waterproofing and then more windows so we can see these amazing views of downtown St. Petersburg and the bay. Let's go upstairs and see some more progress. Here we are, level 18. Masonry is being installed. Mechanical and plumbing risers are being installed, and we're doing top framing installations as well as we continue vertically towards our operating deck. Come on. Here we are, level 23, more than halfway through structure. We continue to push vertically one floor a week, and we onboard more and more trades every day as we continue to push the interior finishes of your future residents. Art House. Downtown living in the heart of St. Petersburg.